Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn the currency names of different countries. This knowledge is very helpful for general learning, travel and school education. So don't go anywhere and stay with me for a few minutes and learn something new. United States of America, currency is US dollar. India, Indian rupee. Sri Lanka, its currency is Sri Lankan rupee. Japan, currency is yen. France, its currency is euro. Russia, the currency is ruble. China, yuan. Brazil, Brazilian real. Iceland, Iceland krona. South Africa, and the currency is rand. Azerbaijan, and its currency is manat. Bangladesh, its currency is taka. Indonesia, rupiah, its currency is rupiah. Iran, and its currency is Iranian rial. Saudi Arabia, its currency is Saudi riyal. Pakistan, and its currency is Pakistani rupee. Australia, and its currency is Australian dollar. Canada, and its currency is Canadian dollar. South Korea, its currency is won. England, and its currency is pound sterling. United Arab Emirates, UAE dirham. Turkey, and its currency is Turkish lira. So friends, these were some currency names of different countries. I worked really hard to bring useful knowledge for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.